A friend gave me a nice little DAB radio that had a scratchy sound at low volume.
That obsession propelled Wally through the ranks at Guide Dogs Australia.
Higher levels of volume were okay. Way back, I used to come across this fault quite often, and it's due to the speaker's paper cone warping such that the voice coil rubs against the magnet assembly, and as it rubs, turns of the coil become shorted out. The proper solution would be to replace the speaker. But back then, though, due to lack of funds, I had to innovate. And I found that easing the coil back into position with a slight pressure on the cone in just the right spot made the fault disappear. Here I'm using a touch pen to find out where the pressure is required.
We're allergic to animals to sneeze. I had to look that one up.
My boss called me into the office and put it to me, and I said, piece of cake, a standard poodle will do that job as good as anything.
Once we found the right place, we get a small piece of toilet tissue paper and crumple it gently and tease it in between the metal housing and the paper cone. At the same time, listen to the sound quality at low volume. The slight pressure exerted by the paper is enough to bring the cone back to the correct place.
I said, what's a roodle? And he said, a Rottweiler and a poodle cross. And I said, oh, God help us, and hung up on it. I just cannot believe anyone would be that damn stupid to breed a dog like that.
This solution can last many years and it costs virtually nothing. Or at least it can put off the problem until the new speaker arrives.
A Labradoodle or a Portuguese Waterhound?
When I heard he was tossing up between a Labradoodle and some other breed.
And what about Sultan?
He was retired with old age. Apparently he worked brilliantly in Hawaii.
Well, I hope this video has shown you that there can be many ways to solve a problem, and some are quite bizarre.
And my boss said, yes, I'll take him. And he took him and he lived out the rest of his life with my boss. And he's buried at my boss.